Hi, I'm Marc Sievers, and welcome to my Paris adventure. So today I'm packing a picnic so that I can go relax in Luxembourg Garden in the afternoon, take a little nap, drink a little wine, eat a little food. It's gonna be great. But I need to get everything for the picnic first. So I headed to my favorite grocery store, La Grande Épicerie, when I'm in town, and I picked up some beautiful things to pack and go. So let me show you exactly what I have for my picnic on Luxembourg Garden. So first, of course, you need a blankie. So I always keep a blankie in my suitcase for picnics because you never know when you're gonna get the urge to sleep outside, I guess. And then I have a beautiful bottle of rosé, so this is nice and chilled. It's a beautiful 70-degree day today in Paris, and it is the quintessential weather for sitting outside under a beautiful tree and indulging. And then, of course, you need glasses for the wine. These are those fabulous little pottery earthenware yogurt cups that I showed you in my store-bought breakfast video. So I've washed them out, and these are gonna go into my bag as well. What I love about those is they are durable, and they can be packed in a bag. They don't need to be wrapped. There's no stems that are gonna get chipped or broken off, so I think they're perfect. I've wrapped some napkins around some silverware and just tied it with a little bit of kitchen twine, so that's perfect. And then, of course, we need some food. So I have beautiful radishes, spicy radishes I think will be delicious. And I have these little salted butter packets. Aren't these adorable? So these are great because they're individual sized, and butter and salted radishes are a classic combination. So that's perfect too. Put those in here. Of course, I have a wheel of camembert, stinky and fantastic. And then I have just little sweet things too. I have some little strawberry tarts and some little chocolate muffins. Those would be nice to nibble on when I want something a little sweet. And then I have iconic shaved carrot salad. And then my favorite, this little salad of green beans and peas and fava beans with a little bit of creme fraiche on the bottom. I have a video coming up that I will show you exactly how to make this salad, and it is my go-to salad for the spring, especially when everything is available at the farmer's market. And then a picnic, my darling, cannot be complete without an ornamental baguette. So these baguettes, I think, are just so beautiful, and I can't find anything like this in Chicago. So every time I'm in Paris, I always find the most beautiful baguettes, and that is gonna go right into my bag. And then, et voila, a picnic to go. Head over to marcsievers.com for more ideas on portable food, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel, and maybe I'll see you on this end. Au revoir. See, I actually really am going.